That's official.
Right there, Sam, back there. Not that far. Too far out of the plate. Come on. One step in. One step in. There. Right now.
That's the ball. Good. Oh my God.
Dude. See her.
Good job, Kayla. Push it. Oh. Whew. So what do you think they should do right here? Because the double team are very. Oh. That's a tough pass. They had to come up and help her out. Go! Oh. That's all right. That's all right, Laura. Oh, now they're going to shoot. Look up, look up, look up! Ah! What happened? Who did?
22. She's holding back the leg.
You can totally hear him, huh? That's crazy. Push it. There you go. I really think what happened was the Web 7-0 and the girls like to relax a little bit and you think, yeah, Web 7-0 and all of a sudden, and then it was like the first like probably 3-4 minutes of Web 7-0 or something, and then they relax and it's never turned up, they can get back up, you know? Go, let's push. Come on, look up, Lauren. Pass the ball. Nice.
I didn't get that, dude.
Dribble. Ah, Rich. Oh. Uh-oh.
Hi, man. Nice to see you. What? Wow, it's so nice. No, I knew, but
okay, good.
his patience was off.
Yeah, it was long.
And then he was embarrassed. Did you see all the boys all lined up?
I didn't because
you were
normally,
excited.
But they said it backs everybody up because they all say, you know, so no one goes to the gym. So they told us to go to the gym first this year. So I didn't see it. I know that they were excited about it, the older boys. So I didn't see what it was.
They were all lined up in the parking lot. All of them. They were clapping as people walked by. Like, everybody walked by. He's like, and then right before that, we had hey, why don't you wear your uniform? Why don't you wear your uniform to him? And like, you know, little things like that just set him off. So I was like, oh, forget it. I didn't want to explain. He's like, I'm a Boy Scout. I said, I know. And then, so I just find we had a good time. So
But
good.
he doesn't feel like he's right there. Only a month ago.
I know.
So, okay, well,
I didn't talk to him. Said it was crowded, walking away.
because I figured
But it was really nice. It was such a nice, yeah, it was such a nice ceremony. I wish we could have stayed too, but I wish I could have gone to talk to people. It was really nice. Just the formality of it, and I assumed it was in the gym. A boy
St. Lawrence. What's up, Lauren?
to the gym later for the thing and the slideshow.
I was surprised nobody got emotional. It was like, I thought it was
Also, you know,
Oh, okay. Because when the moms had a pin, you know, the patch.
it's horrifying because you don't know what you're supposed to be doing. So it's like getting married.
Who?
Yeah.
No, no, no. It's
You're just so up in that that it's so I think.
Their speeches were really good. Steven was very poised. He was very loud. I kind of expected all the boys to be confident speakers, but they weren't necessarily. Just to be expected, I think. But they all think he was very poised. He was very loud. That was impressive.
swing it.
Really? But he smiled a lot. He was
He
relaxed.
said he got really
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He does MUN. That was helpful, right? She does science, yes. She loves that. She tries to do jazz band. She loves band.
Yes.
I'm like, you already do band as a subject, regularly, but she doesn't want to give it up. She doubles everything. It's like,